Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Charlotte, and in today's video I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a unboxing. I love unboxings. They make me so happy. I think it's because I don't know what's inside the box. I'm going to be sharing with you a unboxing about the Glossybox. This is a monthly subscription box. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. You basically pay $21 per month to receive a box with beauty products. You receive 5 premium beauty products worth $60, which I think is amazing. But also they have 3 other plans. You can select to have the box for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. I will be leaving all the information below. Obviously you save more money if you select more months. I will also leave below a coupon code, which is Charlotte. I can leave it here, you can use it for a 20% discount. I think it's amazing. So thank you so much to Glossybox for providing that code for me and my subscribers, and also for sponsoring this video. This video is sponsored by Glossybox, and yes, I'm grateful for that. Thank you so much. I'm super excited. I don't know what's inside. I do know that with the box came this $100 wine voucher, which I think is really nice, and also a HelloFresh gift card, which I think is amazing. I love HelloFresh. I have tried their service and it's really good. Okay, so I'm going to open the box, and first of all, I love the color. It's a baby pink with black and white details. Super cute, very feminine. Love the bow. Love the presentation. I'm all about that. I don't know why. So it comes with this that is, I believe, is a list of the products that are in the box. I like that it has a description for every product. Okay, so here are the beauty products. I'm super excited. So let's start with the first beauty product that I selected, and it's called Orixa Beauty. This is a lipstick in the shade number 3 Lido or Lido. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I think it's Lido. Oh, I don't know my Spanglish. Okay, so this is a really pretty color. It's like a nude / natural shade, and I think it will look super pretty with my complexion. I will do a swatch to see. This is the color, super pretty. I think it will look super cute with my complexion. Ooh, I really like it. I don't know if it's matte. Okay, so it says this is a full size as feature, full size value of $22.50 with $22 with 50 cents. Is 100% cruelty free and gives nothing but long lasting color and a satin finish.
This lipstick is super comfortable on the lips, and I think it will look amazing with brown lip liner. Super pretty.
This is the Layton Denny Miracle Mist Speed Drying Spray for Nail Polish. Ooh, this is interesting. So this is a lightweight, handbag friendly Miracle Mist. It's a polish drying spray. So basically this helps your nails to dry faster.
This Miracle Mist is very interesting. It smells really good. I like the technology. I actually haven't heard or tried anything like this before. I am not 100% sure if it works because I haven't tried this product enough, but I will definitely let you guys know on my social media what I think when I use it more. It doesn't leave any oily residue or anything. It's actually powdery, which is interesting.
Okay, so here we have the True Luscious Camera Powder. This is a vegan, cruelty-free powder to set your foundation and everything. Let's open it. This is in the shade Universal. Feels very lightweight, and this doesn't provide color or coverage. I think it's just meant to use it over the foundation or concealer, which is what I read. Yes, So yes, it doesn't have a mirror or anything. For very oily skin, apply before and after your foundation. Before and after your foundation. Before your foundation. Before your foundation. Before your foundation. Your foundation. That's kind of weird. I never heard that you can use a powder before your foundation. But this is interesting. Anyways, I'll try that out.
I wish this powder had a mirror because I would like to keep it in my purse, but other than that, it's lightweight and it's perfect for my type of skin, which is combination to oily skin.
Here we have the Rosewater Balancing Mist. I love the packaging. It's a baby pink, super pretty. It feels heavy for some reason. I think it's super cute. The brand is called Jurlique. I think so. Lightly mist onto face or into hands and gently press onto the skin.
I love to have this type of product in my handbag because it keeps my skin looking hydrated whether I'm using makeup or not.
I believe I don't have sprays for makeup or just for hydration. So this is nice. Last product, and it's called After Spa Amazing Makeup Remover. Okay, I'm trying to read other languages. No. Let's keep it to English. Okay, so this is a makeup remover that is reusable. You only need water. This is amazing.
And last but not least, this makeup remover is my new obsession. It's so effective. Definitely my favorite thing from the July Glossybox. I love it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Ciao.